it. I'm so glad you're here. So let's get rolling. I'm Charlie. I'm a scientist here at JAM. I love science. I can't wait to share all my favorite science experiments with you. Here are a few things you should know about JAM in order to have maximum fun. First, all the experiments you try aren't guaranteed to work out the first time. That's totally normal. We love seeing your fails just as much as your epic experiments. Second, you should feel free to change and adjust anything and everything I show you in order to be able to use materials you have at home and do your own versions of the experiments. That's what mad scientists do. Do you hear that? That's the slime alarm. It's time to make some slime, everybody. The time has come. Everybody's favorite day in science class is the day you make slime. It was mine when I was younger, and it's still mine now. So, that's our project today. We're gonna make slime and share our favorite slime recipes with each other. I've accumulated a vast number of slime recipes over my years. I'm a very experienced slimeologist and slime creator. I'm gonna share my favorite slime recipes with you here today. You guys are gonna know the tips, you're gonna know the tricks, you're gonna know how to take them to the next level, and most importantly, you should be able to take them to levels even above where I'm reaching. So show me what you guys are doing with these slimes and show me how you make your own.